Speedipou is not a conventional comb. It differs in its design and size. It has special handling instructions. Watch and I will show you how to use it. As a reminder, use Speedipou on perfectly clean, conditioned and untangled hair. And hold Speedipou with the teeth facing up as if it were a smile. The short hairs in front of the ears, commonly referred to as sideburns, are used as a starting point and will affect the comb's subsequent action. Starting with the end of the comb, insert the small hairs in this area. Position the teeth of the comb on the forehead, inclining the comb, and start working it slowly upwards so that the hairs are caught inside the line. Including those located on the temple, which features a small hollow on the skull. It is important that the hair is caught up evenly, and this procedure actually lets them be inserted perfectly between the teeth. Once all the hairs are caught between the teeth, work the comb, applying a slight pressure on the scalp so that it is naturally positioned more upright, and continue working, including behind the ears in this area, where head lice like to hide. Speedipou might become slightly blocked along the way. If this happens, apply a left to right rocking motion to release the comb. If it does not come loose, there is a knot and you must untangle the hair again.